Many customers looking for parts have questions about fuel injectors. As one of the most common wear parts, fuel injectors are also the most precise parts in diesel engine. Their job is to optimize fuel and spread it accurately into the combustion chamber, which ensures perfect fuel-air mixing and maximizes efficiency. But constant exposure to high heat and pressure leads to problems. Failure to inject, poor atomization, leaks, or clogs. That's why regular inspection and maintenance are crucial. We recommend using professional cleaners, checking your fuel quality, inspecting seals routinely, and avoiding long idling periods. Songlin Technology provides professional solutions with reliable, genuine, and OEM quality parts. Follow us for replacement parts and more maintenance advice.